Hey guys, today we're going to talk about a front foot heel elevated split squat. So if you really want to target the quads, the top of the legs, this is a great workout to incorporate. What you can do is either you can use a weight to go on top of the other weight just to elevate your heel, or you can use an actual heel elevation if you have one. So I'm just going to demonstrate with this here. What I'm going to have you guys do, you're going to get in that split squat position here. Notice that that heel is elevated. The reason why it's elevated is so then you can have more knee flexion. So here, if you come down, you could have poor ankle mobility and not able to really push that knee forward. So having that heel elevated helps you have better ankle mobility. From here, focus on more of an upright torso. And you're going to come forward, really pushing that knee over the toe and coming back up. This, more knee flexion, more quads. Definitely a great quad workout. If you guys have any questions about that, please feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.